You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good love and something that I never thought existed. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side.
Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my second social distancing vlog. If this is your first time visiting my channel, thank you for clicking, and I hope you like me enough by the end of this video to stay by subscribing. Okay, so as of midnight, today is March 23rd. The government has imposed a curfew, and although everything was closed anyway, people I think are actually going to start moving around now because it's formally illegal. So we're going to continue this for the next 2 weeks because the date they said they're going to review it is April 6th. So we're just going to be indoors save for maybe we need to buy groceries, go to the pharmacy or something like that. So we're just going to continue and see how it goes. So as you saw, I just finished my home workout. Today I was doing cardio, and I'm going to link all the home workouts that I've been doing at home. Well, obviously Audrey, but I'm gonna link them down below in the description box if you want to work out at home. And I'm about to take my vitamin C and make breakfast, so let's make breakfast.
My mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better. He can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better. He can do me better than you. Can love me better than you do. Yeah, you can love me better than you. You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about. Tell me, do you really need me? I'm painting pictures and I'm dreaming about that good love and something that I know you cannot give me. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can.
Good morning. So you're gonna see a lot of videos from this angle because this is the place with the best lighting in the house. But yeah, quick update. I did nothing productive yesterday. I just ate, sat, watched TV. Oh yeah, I baked a cake. I don't know if that's productive or not, but that's what I did. And it's like, what time is it? It's almost 3 o'clock now. So I'm about to eat and try and work. We need to be productive. And here's the cake that I baked, and it's still on the tray because yeah, I was just lazy yesterday. Okay, so it's like 7 now, and I just finished working, and I need to do the dishes. There's like a huge pile of dishes there. I usually do them in the evening or first thing when I wake up, but like that's what I did yesterday, and then I just felt lazy to do anything else. So I just said to myself, today I'm gonna start with work and then I'll do the dishes later. So that's what I'm about to do. No. Time for some cake. And I'm about to start this series on Netflix. I mean, if you've studied psychology, this is like Psych 101. So I'm excited.
Do me better, he can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better, he can do me better than you.
Similar to your topic, and then you'll see how they did it, you'll see the results they had, and then you'll see if the psychology has changed, if the situations have changed, maybe the economics, the politics, whatever it is. And then when you're designing your research now, that's when you will decide what technique you're going to use. Are you going to use qualitative, quantitative? Hey guys, good morning. So I just finished my first online lecture. It was quite interesting. I have one more today in like an hour 15. So I need to try and make breakfast quick, fast, and then I'll do that lecture and I'm done for the day. Online lectures are actually better than face-to-face lectures. I'm joking, like but I get to be like this, guys. Wait, look at my fit. I need to get ready. So yeah, let me just make breakfast and get ready for the next one.
You love me better than you do. Yeah, you love me better than you. It's like we're stuck. You won't grow up, and I'm getting tired of waiting. It's like we're stuck. You won't grow up.
Just cause war
Okay, anyone else?
countries, and also like inside Sudan we have like between clans a lot of like it happens a lot of times. People fight.
And do these
then
clans
others-
speak like different dialects?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
like every clan, not all of them, but most of them like have like language and stuff like that.
Different cultures, different beliefs, traditions.
Yeah.
I just finished that and I'm exhausted. This is so exhausting. But it was interesting. It was very interactive. I wonder how tomorrow's is gonna go. These were like smaller classes, like 6 people. One was even like 1 person. But the one for tomorrow is like 63, 68 people. So we'll see how that goes. And yeah, I'm about to try and edit and rest because this brain is tired. Good afternoon. So I'm just getting ready for my lecture. I managed to wake up and do a young workout. I'm just gonna insert the clip here. And yeah, that was good. So I took a shower, you know, got semi-ready, and then I think I'm just gonna have a banana because I can't make breakfast right now, but I'm a bit hungry and this lecture is like 2 hours. So I'm just gonna have a banana, drink some water, start my lecture, and then we'll see what else we're gonna do today. Today might just be a lazy day. It's kind of gloomy outside. Wait, let me show you. Cloudy outside, so you know my mood kind of goes with the weather. So today might just be a lazy day. We'll see.
And I'm getting tired, I'm tired of waiting for you to make your move.
So you don't want to do the assignments because of because you're traumatized. Okay, so I just finished my lecture and all I can say is 68 people are more interesting than 6. That was very interesting. I enjoyed it and I'm sure the students did. And now I'm just warming up something. I don't know if you can hear the microwave in the back. The good thing about this whole social distancing thing is we have so much time on our hands indoors, so we've been cooking. So I actually don't have to make breakfast, which is not going to be breakfast anyway. It was going to be brunch, but there's food in the fridge, so I'm just warming up that. Look at that! Is that me? Back up!
That's me?
Yeah!
No, that's not.
Well,
Over there.
okay guys, I just got doled up because I'm doing my first ever YouTube collaboration. So yeah, I'm gonna link the video in the description box if it's out before this vlog, hopefully. and you can check it out. It's about the coronavirus and like how people are experiencing it in different countries. So please click on the video down in the description box and check it out. So I need to try and set it up because there's only like one place that has like good lighting in here, but like now it's like in the evening, so I can't use daylight anymore. So I need to try and figure out where I'm gonna put it.
He can love me better than you. He can love me better than you. On my mind is loving on my mind.
I'm actually in lockdown right now as I'm speaking to you. We've been on lockdown for the past 2 months, 15 days, I think.
Wow.
I
That's
know.
long.
That is actually surprises me when I hear people complaining. So then I feel bad.
Hey Ashley.
Yo, what's up? How's it going, guys?
So I'm just featuring you on my vlog here.
Awesome. Yeah, we just came from recording a viral vlog. You guys should check it out. This is going to be epic. It's about the coronavirus. Probably the realest shit that you guys are ever going to hear from me, myself, and Audrey.
Yeah, and he's also going to feature some more people into it. So we're going to have so many different opinions as well. So
Which is going to be fantastic.
sorry.
We're going to have like many YouTubers there. Some people from the Philippines, Korea, India. It's going to be big, guys. You guys should check out that video. Leave a comment in the comment section telling us if you saw this, if you saw Audrey's video. Mention that you came from Audrey's video.
Yeah, so I'm just going to leave a link in my description as well when I upload this. Please check out Ashley. He has great vlogs like in Asia, and like believe me, his filming and editing skills are top notch. So I'm just going to leave the link to his channel on here as
Thank
well.
you very much. All right.
All right. Hey guys. Today I've been in bed all day. I've done absolutely nothing. I just woke up, I had cereal, then I came back to bed because I don't know what my body was doing, but it just was not feeling like doing anything today. And I just got up. My mom actually called me. That's how I got up. She called me around like 9:30, but I still couldn't get up. But now I've managed to get up and I've showered, and it's like 11:30. Can you see that? 11:30. Can you see that? Yeah. So I'm gonna make some noodles and try and sort out laundry just so I do something today, because like I can't bear the thought of, you know, wasting a day. I don't know if anyone else is like that. Like I can't just bear the thought of wasting a day. So I'm just about to make some 2-minute noodles and pack my laundry, put away my laundry, I don't know what you want to call it, but then yeah, and then I can go back to bed.
He can do me better. He can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better. He can do me better than you. Can love me better than you do. Yeah. Ooh. Can love me better than you. Love me better than you.
Good afternoon guys, I hope you can hear me over the barking. I just decided to come and sit outside, try and get some vitamin D, but the sun is gone. I woke up around 11ish, 12ish because my sisters called me on a video call and that was fun. And then I took a shower. No, I did a workout. And then I took a shower and then I just cleaned up the surfaces. I've been doing this every day. I just put a little bit of antiseptic disinfectant in like my water bottle, and then I add in like a surface cleaner, and then I just clean all the surfaces. So I finished that, and now I need to edit the video for tomorrow and try and upload it. And yeah, we'll see what else we're gonna do today.
You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good love and
Okay guys, I'm gonna close off the vlog here and go back to my young party. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please comment down below what you're doing in this time of quarantine, self-isolation, or social distancing. Whatever it is you're actually doing, please comment down below what you're doing and how are you coping. See you guys in the next video. Bye.
I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind.